Deep within South America lies a realm of immense beauty and unparalleled biodiversity. This is the Amazon rainforest, a vast expanse of green that dominates the landscape. The Amazon basin, largely covered by the rainforest, is truly immense. It sprawls across 9 countries, with the majority residing within Brazil. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, snakes its way through the forest. It carries more water than any other river on Earth, a testament to the rainforest scale. This is a world of vibrant greens, where the canopy stretches towards the sky, filtering the sunlight. The air is thick with humidity, a constant reminder of the rainforest's life-giving power. The Amazon rainforest pulsates with life. It is home to an astonishing array of plants and animals, a diversity unmatched anywhere else on Earth. Scientists believe that this single rainforest houses 10% of all known species on our planet. Vivid macaws with their rainbow plumage flit through the trees, their calls echoing through the dense foliage. Jaguars, the apex predators of this realm, stalk their prey with stealth and power. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their playful chatter a constant soundtrack. Beneath the surface of the murky rivers, pink dolphins, an evolutionary marvel, navigate the waterways. Every corner of the rainforest teems with life, a delicate balance of predator and prey, flora and fauna. The trees of the Amazon are more than just towering giants. They are the lungs of our planet. They absorb vast quantities of carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen back into the atmosphere. This process, photosynthesis, is essential for regulating Earth's climate and maintaining the delicate balance of our biosphere. The rainforest's trees also play a crucial role in the water cycle. They draw up water from the ground and release it into the atmosphere through transpiration. This process creates rainfall, not just in the Amazon, but across South America and beyond. The trees are the very foundation of this ecosystem, supporting the web of life that thrives beneath their canopy. Deforestation and its consequences. The Amazon rainforest, for all its resilience, faces a growing threat: deforestation. Driven by agriculture, logging, and mining, vast swathes of forests are being cleared each year. This destruction has devastating consequences, not just for the rainforest's biodiversity, but for the entire planet. As trees are felled, they release the carbon they once stored, contributing to climate change. Deforestation disrupts the water cycle, leading to droughts and impacting agricultural yields. The loss of habitat drives countless species towards extinction, diminishing the richness of our planet's biodiversity. If deforestation continues at its current rate, the consequences will be catastrophic. The fate of the Amazon rainforest hangs in the balance. Its future, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our actions. We can no longer afford to be passive observers as this precious ecosystem is destroyed. We must act now with urgency and determination to protect this vital part of our natural heritage. Supporting sustainable practices, promoting responsible consumption, and raising awareness about the importance of the rainforest are crucial steps. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in ensuring the survival of this irreplaceable ecosystem. The time for action is now. The fate of the Amazon, the lungs of our planet, rests in our hands.